What's up, Saberhood? This is an instructional video for this Dark Lord hilt with a Crystal Focus X, 10, CFX, whatever you want to call it. Board is mounted right there. You will pop it in the cell with the positive direction going this way. It does not need a kill key, does not need a kill switch, because it has deep sleep activated, so it'll go to sleep after a couple minutes. All right, this is the power button. Nice smooth swing sound cons. This is the auxiliary switch. And turn it off, you hold down up there for a couple seconds. Now to start songs on the Crystal Focus 10, each sound bank has its own song attached, or a few songs. I think they all have at least one song. When the Saber's off, you can either hold down the power button, it'll start to play. You can start the Saber. If you want to pause the music, double tap. Okay. Now we'll go into the sound bank selection.
Sound bank selection.
Obviously the dust needs to be taken off the Saber. Now you could scroll through the fonts either forwards
Audio player
or backwards.
My ally. Traitor! I'm a Jedi. You can never escape me. Obi-Wan Kenobi.
I'm never touching that thing again.
At last we will have our revenge. I have been waiting.
All right, let's pop a blade in. The retention is right here. And since it's such a small one, you have to really make sure to completely back it out before you take the blade out, because you don't want to damage the blade. Alright, so let's start that song. We do that by double tapping. Okay, now to activate the color change mode and the mode to change the blade style, you are going to hold the auxiliary and then tap the off button.
Spectrum.
It'll say spectrum. That means you're in the mode to change the color. To change the color, you rotate the hilt. And once you pick your color, you click the auxiliary button, the lower button again. So this one. So there's another thing you could change as well, which is the blade style. So the effects on the blade. So we'll go back into the spectrum mode.
Spectrum.
And now we're gonna hold down the auxiliary switch.
Blade profile.
Now we're in the blade profiles. Now the same thing, when I twist the Saber, it's going to change the blade profiles. As you can see, the effects are changing. Nice flame effect, longer flame effect, a rain sizzle, crazy unstable blade, and there we have a rainbow blade. Then once you find the blade style you want, you click down on the auxiliary switch. Now it's selected. Now, one source of confusion is that when someone selects rainbow, they think they could change that by changing the color. No, that's a blade style. So if you're on the rainbow,
Spectrum.
so let's go to the, let's hold down and get the blade style.
Blade profiles.
Now let's go to the rainbow. selected it. This rainbow style will not go away until you...
Spectrum.
Now we're in spectrum. The rainbow style is not going to go away no matter what color you try to select. You have to actually hold this down.
Blade profile.
Go into blade profiles. And then switch a different blade profile. Okay. So now let's go back in the menu by holding down auxiliary.
At last we will have our...
I'm never touching.
Obi-Wan, you can never... I am my ally.
Audio player.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker. I see you have constructed a new lightsaber. All too easy.
So on this font, it's got the Vader scene from Rogue One. Okay. Now to take out the battery to charge it, you're going to twist the back off. Put that aside. And included a tool. There's two ways you can get the battery out, by either pushing down here and popping it out, or pushing the battery through on the other side. Either way gets the battery out. But if you accidentally pop the card out when you're getting the battery out, just go ahead and pop the card back in, and then the card is back in and you can use the saber again. All right, thanks for watching.